Namrata, speech language pathologist from Pinnacle Blooms Network, Chennai. So today's topic is about using stocking cups. What are all activity we can do? This is part 2. So using stocking cups, we can introduce the concept preposition. Okay. So first preposition word is down. So we have to introduce the word down by saying I'm going to keep the cup down. Down. See, I'm keeping the cup down. So you have to introduce the concept to the child first. Then you have to ask the child to keep the cup down. Down. Likewise, we can do concept up. I'm going to keep the cup up. Now you can keep the cup up. So likewise, we can also use in and out also. So using this, we child can improve the concept of preposition